Hi, I'm Zach with METALpro, and today I want to walk you through operating your MP9500 pipe and tube bender. This bender here is a up to 180 degree bender, meaning we can go from 0 degrees up to 180 degrees. You can also bend 1/2 inch through 2 inch round pipe and tube as well as square tube with this machine. This machine does require 3 bender dies to operate. You need a rotating die, a moving die, and a stationary die. If you're doing round pipe and tube, you'll also need a collar to bolt on there. So today we're going to walk you through the setup of this machine and how to bend. Let's get started. Okay, first thing we need to do is we're going to go to our website, click on Tooling tab, scroll down to 9500 die sets, and we're going to select between round pipe, round tube, or square tube. Today we're going to do some round pipe. And then you can click the drop down menu to figure out what size material you're bending, and that'll tell you the exact die set needed for that bend. Next, we're going to put the rotating die in first, and then we're going to sandwich the 2 sunbursts to the side of that die. Make sure when you're sandwiching those that you get the shoulder bolt tight on those sunbursts, so much so that they are not falling back on the cylinder on their own weight. After that, we're going to get the stationary die mounted in the frame. There's laser cut holes for the stationary die pins to slide into. Once you get the pins set in there, you're going to want to make sure that the 2 set screws on the bottom of that die are tight to the pins so nothing moves around while the pipe is pulling through. Next, we're going to mount the moving die into the sunburst. The moving die is actually the die that pulls the material up and around the rotating die. Once that's in, we're ready to slide material through and get a start point. Next, we can mount the shaft collar to the end of the material, and we're ready to bend. Like we said earlier, this is a 110 volt single phase bender. This is a ratcheting style bender. As you can see in the video, it's going to extend out and then ratchet back into the next level of bend. Each one of those ratchets is roughly 45 degrees of bend, so we have the 4 ratchet slots that gets us to the 180 degrees of bend. Now remember, every material that you are bending has some level of spring back in the material, so you want to take that into account as you're bending up and around. We're going into this final bend here that's going to get us to the 180, so we're going to hit the 180 and we're going to go a little bit past for the spring back. But as you can see, a nice smooth bend. There's no wrinkling or crimping in the material, and that's all based on the rotating die radius and the material thickness, wall thickness, and size. There you go, guys. That's how you set up and operate your MP9500. We also have the ability to do like a Delrin die set or custom dies for a specific size or a custom application for like anti-marring operations. We've done that in the past. So please reach out to us if you have any other questions. This machine is 110 single phase, and just like all METALpro products, this is backed by the industry-leading 3-year True Blue warranty and 100% USA made. If you got questions on die sets for your MP9500, or if you're interested in purchasing an MP9500 for your needs, please reach out to one of the US dealers or us directly, and we'd be happy to answer any questions you have. Thank you for being a METALpro customer.